right, so I'm here going to shoot the qualification course for the concealed carry. This is Shay from 1-4 Firearms Training, and I am going to shoot the concealed carry for the firearm training. One thing you have to do is you have to load your ammo. And I didn't do that first, but I'm going to walk you through what it takes to qualify with a concealed carry license in the state of Arkansas. There is 50 shots that you have to take, and you got 20 of them starting just at the 3-yard line. If you take a look here, you have to stay within the 7 ring. The 7 is the very outward ring. You got that whole target, and that's your whole thing there. You got to shoot at. So I'm going to show you what it takes to qualify for your enhanced lesson. So, all right, and you're going to be in the first person shooting with the camera that's on the top of my cap. Like I say, the first 20 shots are at 3 yards. So it's a fairly easy. You only have to get 35 out of 50. You got to score 70%. So I'm going to walk y'all through that. So, all right, y'all ready? All right, everyone, you have 3 stages to go through. You got to hit it within the 7, and I'm at 3 yards. See, let me put it at 3 yards here. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but I'm going to put this exactly at 3 yards. And there it is. That is 3 yards away. I can almost reach out. It feels like I can touch it. That's 3 yards. I am shooting the P365 Legion, and I got one in the barrel. I am going to load it now. Okay. There we go. Now, the first thing we're going to do, always keep gun safety. It means your muzzle's always pointing down range. Your finger is always off the trigger. Always keep in a safe spot. You know what's the target, what's behind the target, and you never point this at anything that you're not willing to destroy. So the first round is, you have 2 seconds to shoot 1 shot from the ready. The ready is literally already pointing at the target, just like this, and you have 2 seconds to fire 1 shot, and you do that 5 times. So let's try this like this, and I'm going to shoot, and you can count I don't have a timer. I'm shooting inside because it's 105 degrees outside. So here we go. Shooter ready. That is the call. Ready. And I'll say on the beep, and when it beeps, you can shoot 1 shot. On the beep, that's 1 shot. And I'll say shooter ready. Ready. 1 shot. Shooter ready. Ready. 1 shot. Shooter ready. Ready. Shooter ready. Ready. That is 5 shots. Always keep the muzzle down range. You bring it down to what we call a low ready. So this is high ready, and we're going to take it down to low ready. So we were in ready, pointing at it. High ready is when you're looking over the target, and low ready is down. Now, that is your first 5 rounds. Next, you're going to shoot 10 rounds, but you're going to do double taps. That means you're going to shoot 2 shots at a time for 10 rounds. 2 shots at a time for 10 rounds, and you have 3 seconds. So it's like this. Up, shooter ready, ready, beep. So you shoot twice, just like that. So you're going to do this in 2-shot exercise of 3 seconds allowed per 2-shot sequence. And a total of 2 rounds. So you do it 5 times. So shooter ready, ready. There we go. Shooter ready, ready. You got plenty of time. Shooter ready, ready. Shooter ready, ready. I think that is right now. I think that was 5 times 2. Now you have 5 rounds fired in a single stream. You have 10 seconds. So I have 5 more rounds. This will be our final shots in the 3. So I'm going to make sure I have enough ammo, and I'm needing to top off to make these 5 shots. And that's going to have us a total of our 20 rounds already gone through. So let me go ahead and top off the rounds, and we will have time to stop in the stages and do this. Load, make ready, up, and I got 5 shots, 10 seconds. One after another. It'll be just 1 time. I'll say shooter ready, ready, beep. 5 shots. I'm coming down to the low ready. I'm actually going to put mine on the table because I have to now take it back to 7 yards. So we're done with the first round. Next time is 7 yards. So I'm gonna look over here. I'm gonna go 7 yards. Actually, let me bring the target up first. I'll bring it up, okay? As of right now, I'm trying to hit in the 7 ring. The 7 ring is all the way down here. And I'm shooting right here. So right now I have 20 rounds. I think it's 20, let me see, it's 5, yes, that's 20 rounds right there. Right here in the center. So that was pretty good shooting, I believe. But I had all of this area right there, okay? So now let's go to 7. I will not shoot that good at 7 yards. All right, while it's getting out there, I'm gonna put a few more rounds in. And we're gonna start off this in 5 rounds, fired in single string within 10 seconds. So I have 5 shots, same thing I just did. This time it's gonna be at 7 yards, and you see it's still not that far away at 7 yards. And I have 5 rounds that I'm gonna do in 10 seconds. Okay, I'm just topping off my mags here. Let me go ahead, load, make ready, press check. I am good. I am gonna go ahead and get on the target, and I have 10 seconds for 5 rounds, okay? And make sure I am in battery, I'm there. All right, 10 seconds, I got 5 rounds, 10 seconds. On the beep, shooter ready, ready. See, I had plenty of time there to do that. So that was now, and I'm looking down at my phone. If you see what I'm doing, I'm making sure I have everything in my phone ready. So it's 5 rounds fired in single string with 10 seconds. That's what we just did. Next, we got 5 rounds fired in two sub-stages. We're gonna do 2 shots in 4 seconds, and then I'll say shooter ready and ready again, and you're gonna have to do 3 shots in 6 seconds. So it's just consistent, 2 rounds and then 3 rounds, okay? So that's what we're gonna do next. It's 2 rounds on the ready. Shooter make ready, ready. 2 rounds on the beep, beep. There you go. And I had a total of 4 seconds to do that, and I did it in probably 1.5. Now we have 3 shots in 6 seconds. Shooter ready, ready, on the beep. So that was 3 shots in 6 seconds. Now we have 5 more rounds in a 1-shot exercise, and we have 3 seconds allowed per shot. So we're going to shoot 5 single shots, same thing we did at the very beginning when we were at 3 rounds. So we got 5 more rounds to go. Now once we get done with this, that means we have already shot another 20 rounds, which will give us a total of 40. You only have to hit 35 to pass. So this is 1 shot at a time. So let me go ahead. I was out, and you see it went locked. I'm gonna keep always down range, lock it back in. I'm up, shooter ready, ready, beep, shooter ready, ready, shooter ready, ready, shooter ready, ready, shooter ready, ready. All right, so we are done with the 7 yards. Now let's bring it back in. Let's see how I'm doing. It feels like I'm doing pretty good. I am shooting a SIG Legion 365, P365. I got all of this target, and right now I am right here. So that's pretty good with 3 and 7 yards. 20 rounds have hit right in there. There's no other rounds anywhere to go. Now 15 yards. Let's look up here, 15 yards. Now, I have already passed the test. Now I'm at 15 yards. I have 5 rounds fired in 2 sub-stages. I have 2 shots in 6 seconds, then 3 shots in 9 seconds. Okay, so 2 shots, 6 seconds. Let me go ahead and look and make sure I have enough ammo for that. 2 shots, 6 seconds, 15 yards. It's a pretty good ways down there now. Okay, so I shouldn't be hitting as in that center. But all I got to do is stay with that big 7 ring. It's almost to the outs. It almost touches. It's about 2 inches away from the green on all corners. So 2 shots, 6 seconds. Okay. Press check. I'm in. All right. 2 shots. Shooter ready. Ready. Beep. There I go. Now I have 3 shots in 9 seconds. Shooter ready. Ready. Beep. All right, I think I threw one there. Now, we're down to our last 5 rounds. We had to find 5 rounds fired in a single string within 15 seconds. Just 5 shots downrange. Let me make sure I have enough in here for 5 shots. Let me top it off again. Make sure I have for 5. And then we are done with the qualification. And we're going to score this and see how I did. 5 shots. I'm press checking. Make sure it is in there. Here we go. Make sure it's in battery. Shooter ready. 5 shots. Single string. 15 seconds. Shooter's ready. Beep. And qualification is over. Now I'm going to say unload and show clear. So you'll drop the magazine, pop it out, show me that it's clear all the way in, and now we have a code range. We'll lay them down and let's see how we did. "15 yards. My eyesight is not as good as it used to be, so when it gets 15 yards, I don't see quite as well. So here, this is a good target. Let me pull it up here like you can see it. Okay, so here we are. There's my round, and you see I did pull one right here to the 8, but I had all the way over here. All I had to do was hit it in this 7 ring. So I shot a 50 out of 50. When it hit 15 yards, you started seeing I pulled a little left as it got out there. And I knew I did it. When I shot this one, I did not have the proper grip at the time, so I knew this one's out. But I hit everything else within the 9 ring, then right here in the 10 ring. So that is the qualification for the Arkansas State qualifications. Fairly simple. We're not going to let you fail at this. All right, guys, that was the qualification course. 50 rounds. If you do good at 3 and 7, you don't even have to worry about the 15. Okay, so for the final target here, you see, there it is. You have all the way from here to here. Okay, here all the way to here. This is your target ring. You just got to get 35 in here, and 20 of your shots is at 3 yards. So we're really good right here. Okay, guys. All right. Can't wait to see y'all on the range for the qualification course. I've just never found this on YouTube or any social media of what it looks like to qualify with the state for the enhanced. This is it. That's it. And so that's what we did today. We qualified. All right. Until next time, guys, keep shooting.